Hey, guess what? We can order stuff off of TPT with our classroom funds. So I asked Miss Jane first, could we do it? And she said yes. And I went all over the school trying to find someone who knew how to do it. And I found Miss King. So Miss King showed me how. And then I filled out my requisition with Miss Jane and I had my stuff the next day. So everybody who I asked in the building how to do it said, when you find out, let us know. So I feel like this video would be the easiest way to show you how to do it. So I'm going to get rid of my face so I can show you better how to fill out, get a PO order from TPT, and then you'll have to fill out a requisition with Miss Jane. I'm so excited. I ordered stuff for the whole year and I had it like the next day. So this is how it goes. So you're going to go to Teachers Pay Teachers and add whatever you need in. Now, you do have to have a minimum of $20. So we all need these digital activities for our kids, so it shouldn't be too hard to get a minimum of $20. So then you're going to go to your cart, make sure everything you need's in there, and then you're going to click on this secure checkout. Okay, it will have like your information here. And then down here, you can click on purchase order. Okay, mine did not have Bankhead Middle School the first time I did this, but it's there now. So hopefully it'll be on yours too. But if it's not, you can just search for Bankhead Middle School. I left this box blank and then I came down here and it's asking not for your information, but I put in Miss Jane's information here. I put in her email, her school email here, and I put in the school phone number here. And then I asked it to generate a quote. And it sent me a quote, and I think it may email it to her also. Now, I do notice here that this is here now since I've already made a purchase. So I would assume that next time I want to make a purchase, I'll just click that. Once you hit this right down here, it'll generate your quote and you can print it off. So you're going to print it off. You're going to get a requisition form from Miss Jane and you're going to fill out everything you ordered on there, just like a regular requisition. Now on your quote, it will have a $2.99 processing fee, which also needs to be listed on your requisition. I ordered my stuff on Monday and it happened to be they were having a Cyber Monday sale, so I put that code in and it took like $4 off. So we also had to list that on the requisition as a discount and we put it as minus $4. And then my original quote had tax added, but at the bottom it said to email them if you thought you were tax exempt, so I did, and they sent me a new quote without the tax. But I do notice this is here now, so if it's on yours, you may just have to click that button and it'll already have it as tax exempt. So anyway, you just print out your invoice, list everything on your requisition, make sure you put discounts and the processing fee, and then give it to Miss Jane and she sends it to the board. It was super quick. I had it the next day. I hope this helped you. Again, thank you, Miss King, for giving me this information, and I'm passing it to everybody else. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.